Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to pair JBL Tune 770 NC with Android. For that, you will need to follow some steps. First, turn on the JBL Tune 770 NC. Press and hold the power button on the headphone for about 5 seconds until you hear a sound indicating they are powered on. Second, enter pairing mode. After turning on, if the headphones are not already in pairing mode, press and hold the Bluetooth button located on the right ear cup for 5 seconds until the LED lights start flashing blue and red. This indicates that the headphones are in Bluetooth pairing mode. Third, enable Bluetooth on your Android device. On your Android phone or tablet, open the settings app. Go to Bluetooth and toggle it to on if it is not already. Fourth, pair the devices. In the Bluetooth settings of your Android device, you should see JBL Tune 770 NC listed under available devices. Tap on the JBL Tune 770 NC name to pair. And in the last confirmation, once connected, you will hear a voice prompt saying connected from the headphones and the LED light on the headphones will turn solid blue. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.